If you hold a sneeze, this is what happens to your body. You pinch your nose shut, trapping a blast of air moving at 100 miles per hour. With nowhere to escape, the pressure spikes to 20 times its normal level. It floods your sinuses and throat with sheer force. This violent surge can actually tear a hole in your windpipe or rupture your eardrums. You might literally hear a pop as the delicate tissues fail. The crazy part? The back pressure can even reach your brain, putting massive strain on blood vessels and potentially triggering an aneurysm. So next time, don't hold it in. Just let it fly. Subscribe for more facts that could save your life.